we're just gonna freaking do it right here, see if we can get some flames. And welcome back to another hold up. Welcome back, fuckers, to another brand new video. As you guys can see in the title, we're gonna be investigating if my G35 throws flames. Okay, if you guys haven't watched my past two videos, you guys know that for the past 3 weeks I've been tuning with RZG, and RZG Motorsports has a specific map they have called the heatwave map, which is supposed to do the pops as well as shoot some flames. The thing is that I have high flow cats on, so it does have a little bit of restriction. It's a 100 cell. It's not that much of a restriction, but it's still there. So we're gonna figure out if it shoots any flames. I know some of you guys are curious, and I'm curious myself, so we're gonna go ahead and find that out. And eventually these cats, if I keep doing that map, the cats are gonna mess up, man. They're not gonna handle all that heat, and they're gonna blow up. They're not gonna blow up, they're gonna, you know, mess up, and we're gonna have to eventually switch to, you know, test pipes or art pipes from Motordyne or something like that. Let's go ahead, find that out. Hopefully they don't mess up today, but let's go ahead, find that out if we shoot some flames or not. I know I mentioned one supported video in my car going on the street, and it did shoot a small little flame. So you guys can see it's almost sunset. I don't know if you guys can see, it's almost sunset, which means that it's gonna be dark and we can see any type of flame. So let's hop on in the car. Cold startup, here we go. Oh yes, baby. It's not even that much of a cold start, it's more like a hot start. As you guys can see, this footage right here is pretty dark, right? It's not the best quality. While I was scrolling on TikTok, because I'm hugely addicted to it, I don't know why, I just keep scrolling, I came upon this guy who bought this, bro. It's actually for your phone, so you can have a ring light while you're FaceTiming, whatever. But I think I could use it for this camera too. Check this out. So now look at that quality, man. Now I'm all shining bright like a diamond. My teeth are whiter than. Let's go out there, see what the hell is gonna go on tonight. I know there's gonna be a meet tonight, so maybe I'll bring you some footage of a meet. But let's go see if this G35 shoot flames or not. If not, it's okay. I'm not gonna be hugely disappointed, but it's a huge plus if it does. So let's go ahead and find out. Also, if you haven't already, click that like button, please. It helps me a lot. Go ahead and click that like button. And also, that's it actually. We're gonna take some pictures of the G35, and then we might head to like a car meet or something. Oh my god, it's a pop-off battle. Pops, he's gonna show us some love right here. Show him some love. That's awesome. Let's get some pops. Anyways, oh shit. Anyways, guys, we're here. We took a picture here. If you guys look at my most popular video, it's like building a G35, whatever. We actually took that thumbnail here. It was like a little farm area right here by Sacramento, and now we're gonna try to recreate this picture now with the G, how it looks now. So we're gonna go see how the pictures turn out. You guys want to see how they look? Here's a couple of the photo shoot. They're so nice. They're so nice. Somebody did suggest that, I know these have like you guys know the vents, they have the vents, but they're like kind of like X kind of. Somebody said that I should get like hexagon kind of vents, kind of like the Audi mesh they have. So I might look into it, Amazon something, if it's cheap enough. Shoot, I might do it. It may look even better, you know, hexagon, you know, honeycomb, everything honeycombs. Right now we're pretty much done here. We're gonna go ahead to the car meet, have some fun a little bit, see what we find over there. and then we're gonna go late at night and see if this thing poops any flames or anything, and maybe we can cook some what do you call it? What do you cook? Some marshmallow. Maybe we can make some s'mores, who knows? Okay, all right guys, I'm muffled again because I got my mask, because you know, not trying to get this virus, but here we go. 5 seconds of fame. Oh, you gotta shout it out, shout out. Who you trying to shout out?
You trying to shout out? It's Mariah.
Yeah. She shouted out herself. We parked the car here for right now next to this I don't know, FRS, BRZ, I don't know, I got no badging, but we parked right there, but the meat is actually over there. Because there's just so many damn cars, like we had to come over here, and it kind of spilled over, so. Alright, you're the win. Got my boy Alex. That's like a whole leg and a half right there. Nice color, nice wine red. In the comment section, are those real TEs or are they bars? Oh no, they are. I don't know what they are, but I say hello to our fellow G owners. What up? What up, my bro? What up? Ooh. That shit's mean as fuck. I don't know whose car was popping stupid loud, bro. It sounded like a damn nuke. I don't know where he's at right now. Yeah, I think he's over there. Cover your ears, cover your ears. Oh, that was him. That was him. Student driver, okay. Student driver. We're about to leave right now. We're like, at least I showed you guys enough of the meat. We're gonna go see if it shoots some flames or not. But man, look, there's hella lines of cars. We're done with the meat. We're about to go to this tunnel here in Sacramento that apparently it has like freaking lights, like different colored lights, and it's a cool scenery. So we're gonna go ahead, get some pictures, have record over there, and right there hopefully we have enough space to find out if this G35 shoots flames or not. Okay, we're trying to find out. That's the freaking mission for today's episode. Guys, hopefully you guys can see me. We parked here. You guys saw we were in the tunnel, but apparently I had no idea that that tunnel, usually in the pictures it looks pretty isolated, but apparently that tunnel is literally in the middle of a brand new utopia freaking neighborhood. I have no idea it was around so many people, and I guess the people there got annoyed and, you know, came out and started taking pictures of the license plate. So I took out before they took pictures of mine, because I was like, frick, there's no way I'm gonna do this. But we did our little runs on the tunnel. They look freaking sick, insane. We got some loud freaking pops. They sounded so damn good in person. And so basically we're here in a freaking unknown area here. And it's literally, look, there's literally nothing, no buildings. And that light over there is like, I don't know, some UFO. But we're just gonna freaking do it right here. See if we can get some flames, and who knows? Hey guys, so as you guys saw, the car did not shoot flames, man. But to be honest with you guys, I'm not too bummed out. There's gonna be a point we're gonna reach where we're gonna shoot flames. We're gonna switch out those high flow cats. But I mean, it does shoot flames sometimes, very rarely. Here's a little small clip of someone on the street who recorded me and shoot flames. Here we go. But ahead we have big plans, guys. Big plans. We're gonna be actually trading the G, man. We're gonna be selling the G. So I know you guys, I know, save your emotions and comments for next video. I'm gonna talk about all of it, okay? Trust me. I know you guys are jumping into thoughts and conclusions. Trust me. Just wait for next video. Trust me. You guys are gonna trust me on that. Okay, also not this Saturday, but next Saturday, I'm gonna be doing a get together. Location is still to be decided. I'm gonna send out a flyer on my Instagram. If you haven't followed me there, it's at BeDistinct_. I'm gonna send all the information. We're gonna meet up, all of us, and basically we're gonna go on a huge drive to another meet held by their Instagram page is Sack Meets. They hold Saturday meets, and we're gonna have a great time, and hopefully we can all mob out together. I got people from Stockton going, people from all over. It's gonna be freaking insane, and hopefully I can see you guys there. We can have a good time. So that's gonna happen next Saturday. More information with the more vlogs as they come out. I'm gonna send out more information, but it's gonna be freaking exciting, man. I'm super excited to have the G back, and man, it's gonna be good times, man. A lot of good future up ahead. So catch you guys next video. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.